Are you getting traffic but no freaking sales? Or are you just not getting traffic at all and you don't know what to do? It's okay, we've all been there, seriously. It sucks, and sometimes you just don't understand. In this video, I am going to go over exactly why that happens and what you can do about it. What's up, guys? Alright, in this video, we're actually gonna go over 5 reasons why your store is not converting or it's not making sales, okay? The purpose of this video is for me to go over each of these reasons, help you guys identify which reason it could be that you're not making sales, and then I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to fix it. Alright, let's go. Reason number 1. Your store is simply not trustworthy, okay? Things that make a store not being trustworthy, there are many things, but the most common things I see is just the store has colors all over the place, okay? This is something I really want to stress, is that your store should only have 3 types of color, black, white, and then 1 accent color, okay? So if you choose blue as your accent color, then make sure your buttons, your call to action buttons are blue. Make sure your banner is blue, your header is blue. Make sure your logo has some blue on it, like a black blue or blue entirely, and make sure it's the same type of blue. You guys have no idea how many people I've seen that have like dark blue here, and then some sky blue somewhere around, like and even worse, some people just have blue, yellow, red, green, like it's all over the place, and the colors all over the place. Seriously, guys, it makes a site very sketchy and very untrustworthy, okay? And that's one of the main reasons. The color schemes is just not on point and things like that. Also, make sure you use high quality pictures. Make sure your logo is high quality. You guys have no idea how many I go into dropshipping stores of people asking for help in communities. Hey, what's wrong with my store? Why am I not making sales? And the number one thing I see is either no logo or the logo is pixelated, very low quality. The banner just very low quality. And also, you need to have your product descriptions, okay? They need to be solid. Like, this is literally the most important thing about the store, okay? Seriously, put a lot of work into it, okay? Another thing I actually see, a lot of stores nowadays, like, they're still using sales pop-ups or timers or inventory reducer, like all these gimmicks that consumers have caught on into that, and they know they're fake, okay, guys? They know they're fake. So if your site has too much going on, like with countdown timers, pop-ups, too many promotional pop-ups, those things annoy the customer and they'll make them leave. That's not the way to go, okay? I know that's more of a general store type of thing where you want to use these gimmicks, but guys, they don't work anymore. Countdown timers, discount pops, and all of that BS does not work anymore. You gotta keep your store very clean and make it look trustworthy, okay? And stop using trust badges. I know that you've probably been told that that's really huge to have the trust badges. No, they look spammy as hell. Like, seriously, boom, get rid of it. You don't need it. Make sure everything looks clean. It's very well structured. Don't overwhelm people on your homepage. Make sure your product page has really solid product description that really sells on the benefits, and make sure you market the emotion, okay? Don't just do 1 or 2 sentences on the product description and that's it. And don't just bullet point. Like, a lot of people I see this, they just copy paste from AliExpress on product descriptions, the features, and it just looks really bad. The English is really bad. These features don't sell. What sells are benefits. Make sure you write the benefits. Write like a little story on the product description. Take your time, connect with your customer. You guys must have reviews, okay? And I know this sounds obvious, but you have no idea how many stores out there I've reviewed and have absolutely no reviews, okay? Especially if you're drop shipping from AliExpress. The products themselves have reviews, and you can actually import reviews from AliExpress to your store, okay? You can use an app like Looks, which does that for you. It's incredible how many people don't have reviews, and even those that do have reviews, sometimes they pick the reviews in different languages, or reviews where the English is not written correctly, or it's just not picked up well by the translation, and people can be very sketched out by those things. So make sure your reviews have proper English, and try to use as much reviews as you can with pictures, okay? Don't put a ton of reviews without pictures, because that also seems fake. Reviews with pictures are better, especially if the customers are showing that they're using it, okay? So make sure you use reviews. I can't stress that enough. It's huge for your site trustworthiness and for social proof. Reason number 2 is low quality traffic, okay? So what can you do about this and how do you fix it? It's most likely because you're targeting worldwide, okay? You're just targeting all these countries that most are just consumers that are not used to purchasing online, and so you won't really get many sales, okay? Funny enough, a lot of these countries, like if you target Philippines, India, they'll engage a lot. So your ad will probably get a lot of likes and things like that, but these people are not consumers. What'll happen is they'll engage with your ad, they'll click on it, they'll go to your site, but then they'll leave. Like they'll almost never buy from you, and you're just wasting amounts of money and an audience that's just not gonna convert, okay? As simple as that. So how do you solve this problem? It's really easy, guys. What I always tell my students is target the big four: United States, UK, Australia, and Canada. That's it. Target these countries which do consume online a lot. They're the biggest markets in the world, and you'll always be bringing quality traffic. Reason number 3. Of all the things I've been talking about so far, this one is actually 95% of the time, it's just the reason why people don't get sales. And it really comes down to your ad just not being impulsive enough. Most likely you're using, for example, an image ad for a product that really requires a demonstration, okay? Like a video, a well-made video and things like that. Of course, your targeting has to be right, but this section is more focused on the ad itself, the creatives that you use, the thumbnails, the ad copy, okay? So what I recommend personally is for when you advertise products, is that you make a very compelling video ad. Make sure you use very impulsive text, highlight the benefits, how the product is used, and things like that. Try to get people hyped. Make your ad very, very, very high quality. Research your competitors, guys, okay? If you're selling something, 10 people already tried selling it too, okay? Maybe one of those or 2 of those succeeded. So look at all of those, look at the ones that succeeded especially, look at their ads, how did they do it, and make it very, very similar, okay? Don't steal ads, don't copy ads, word for word or frame for frame, but actually make your own, make it similar to theirs, and maybe even tweak it so that it's a little better. What not having a good ad will do is just, it won't bring traffic. It really won't bring traffic, and your CPC will typically be too high. So that's how you guys know that it's your ad. It's because your CPC is really, really high, assuming you have your targeting right, of course, and it's not a targeting problem, then yes, if your CPC is high, it's most likely your ad, because a high CPC means people are not clicking. Just a quick one here. If you're enjoying this video and you're finding this very helpful, please do me a solid and subscribe down below, and make sure to hit the notification button, the little bell that's down there, so you get notified every time I release a new video. Price, okay? A lot of times, not often, but a good amount of times it does come down to price, and I've seen this be more of a mistake with beginner dropshippers, where they are told that you need to 2x everything, you need to 3x everything, or something like that, and so they're always just saying, oh, if this costs $8 on AliExpress, then maybe I should sell it for like $16 or more, right? $24, whatever. Your pricing strategy should not be based off of like a static variable. Your pricing strategy should be based on competitors, okay? So this is an easy one where it should never be a problem. All you have to do to fix this, for it to never be a problem, is never be overpriced or priced outside the market. So do your competitor research and see what other successful competitors are selling your product for, okay? What price point they're using, and once you do that, you have 2 options. Number 1, you either price it the exact same or like very, very similar. And then option number 2 is you actually go below your competitors' pricing. I'd rather you guys be at the same price as your competitors or a little underpriced than overpriced, because most likely if you're overpriced, that's when you're not gonna make sales. Because if you're priced the same or under, you will make sales. So price shouldn't be a problem if you're doing that off the get-go. Final reason, it really just comes down to the product, okay? The product. And it just means it's time to move on, okay? And I know that's hard to accept, especially if you put in a lot of work into this one product. But seriously, dropshipping is not about getting attached to the emotions. It's about looking at the facts and just knowing when to move on and willing to do it. That's very, very key, okay? A lot of guys just stay stuck. They're trying to make a product work for days, weeks, or months on end even, and you're just gonna lose a lot of money, and it's just not gonna happen, okay? Just think of it as, each product being a fish, okay? There are plenty of fish in the sea, okay? As whack as that sounds, or I know you've heard that before, but literally that's what it is, okay? The fish is the product, okay? So if this one fish, you just can't catch it, let it go, go somewhere else and find more fish, okay? In other words, let the product go and go find more products to sell, to test, seriously. Like, there's no reason why you should stay into one product. All right, guys, I hope this video was very, very helpful to you. And, two quick announcements before we go, okay? Number one, please drop me a like and comment below this video on, what you thought about the video and maybe what you guys want for me to cover next, okay? Seriously, drop a comment below. Give me ideas. What are you struggling with? What do you need help with? And I will make a video about that, okay? And number two, real quick, is I do want to really quickly apologize to you guys because I know I haven't been doing videos as often as I wish I could. I think it's been over 3 weeks. The reason for that is because I've been working on a very, very, very special project that I'm keeping it very, very inner circle, very tight, very secret for now, but I am going to announce it real soon. And the one thing I can tell you about this project, it's gonna benefit a lot of you in your dropshipping journey. I'm not gonna say what it is yet, and actually I'm not really sure if I'm gonna announce it on my YouTube channel, but I do know 100% that I am going to announce it in my private Facebook group, okay? So guys, seriously, make sure you join my Facebook group. I have put the description down below. It says FB group, and then you'll see the link there. So all you have to do is click there. It'll take you to Facebook, to my group, and all you do is hit join, and I will accept you, okay? Everybody is welcome to the family. Definitely do that if you don't want to miss out on this, because I promise you guys, it's really, really, really life changer. You have no idea, okay? And also, just be a part of the community so you can interact with like-minded people and network with others, and ask a lot of questions. I'm also very, very active and very involved in this group, and I often answer questions myself that you may have about dropshipping, okay? All right, guys, thank you so much. I really, really, really appreciate it. We've grown over 300 subscribers. I am so happy. Thank you, everybody, for your support, okay? I hope you guys find value of not only this video, but each and every video that I put, okay? And seriously, give me some feedback. Would really appreciate how I can improve. And the best way you can do it is by commenting down below. Thank you so much. See you on the next.